Alright guys, this is your Isolateral Converging chest press. This is essentially an upright chest press machine where the handles are going to come in towards each other. So you can see that they're closer here than they are at the bottom. Most gyms will have one of these machines, whether it's plate weighted or pin weighted, doesn't matter. We just want an upright chest press machine where those handles are coming in towards each other. The key here is we do want to make sure that that seat height is correct. If I'm too low, you can see my elbows are going to start to have to venture up towards my shoulders. We don't want that. We want to be pushing through the midline of the chest. My hands are in line with my upper chest at the top, and they're going to come down and line up with my lower chest at the bottom. When you're going for your heavier sets, if you don't have someone to spot you, you can grab one of these clips if your gym has them, and you can just boom, chuck them right there. When you press, you're going to avoid having to press out of that uncomfortable depth where your pec is too long. It's just going to start you from there. You can push forward and start your set. It'll fall away and then go through your full range of motion.